It's Ray here, and have you ever been watching a longer YouTube video and wished that you could jump from point to point and know exactly what you were going to see? Well, that's exactly what YouTube Chapters does. Unfortunately, if you've ever tried to do chapters on one of your long videos, you have to get into your editor and you have to go through and figure out exactly where you want to put a chapter, write it down, and then go into YouTube and put in all of the chapters manually, and that can take a lot of time. Well, that's why I've put together a brand new and free tool that allows you to create chapters for your YouTube videos. All you have to do is bring your video in, the chapters are going to be made automatically using AI, and then you simply take them from there, put them in your video, and boom, you've got chapters. Now, this is really important because not only will this allow your audience to jump from point to point without getting lost, but it also gives you great opportunities to do SEO for your video, because now you can put in more information that's going to help YouTube and even Google to know exactly what your video is about, without making it look all spammy like people used to do in the old days. So you're not just going to stuff it with keywords, you're going to put chapters, and these chapters are going to help your viewers and help YouTube and Google to know exactly what your video is about. Let me show you how this works. Okay, so let me show you how easy this is to actually do. What we have here is the YouTube chapter generator page here, and you've got your area here to drop your video. Now you've got a few different options up here. You can upload the video. You can also drop in a YouTube link or a Vimeo or other link. And while you're in here, if you've already got a video in here, you can choose it from the library. And you can see all of these videos have already been transcribed inside of here, so you can actually use them to create chapters for them. In this case here, I'm going to upload a new one. And what I'm going to do is you can either click here to upload, or you can just drag and drop, which is what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to drop this video in, and we're going to hit Generate Chapters. Now what it's going to do is it's going to first upload the video, and this isn't too long of a video, so it won't take much time to get it uploaded. Once the video is uploaded, it's actually going to transcribe the video. And the great thing about that is not only will that then be useful for your chapter generation, but you'll be able to use the transcription in many of the other tools that are in Video Velocity as well. And if we scroll down, you can see now our chapters are in here. You can see them in the writing block here, so you can actually just copy this to use inside of YouTube. You can also see the individual ones down here, and you can copy all by clicking the button here. Once you do that, you're just going to go into your YouTube description. In this case here, the video is thumbnails in seconds, and we're just going to find the appropriate place to put the chapters, and I'm going to put them down here towards the bottom. There we go. We now have our chapters with the time codes on there. And you'll see thumbnail creator overview, very SEO friendly. Create thumbnails in transcripts, very SEO friendly. Standalone thumbnail tool. Again, that is SEO friendly. Fetch YouTube video details, AI thumbnail text suggestions, choose thumbnail style, custom thumbnail instructions, generate download thumbnail, autofill in transcriber. So all of those are very nice and SEO friendly that will help your video to be discovered when people are searching in YouTube and perhaps even in Google. Now, once we have this here, we're just going to hit save. And now if we go and watch the actual video, you'll see now that in here, you've got all of these different little breaks. Those are your individual chapters here. And you can see up above, it says what the chapter is, and it has the time code. And then down in the description, if we open this up, you'll see that we have the time codes and the chapters down here. And these are all clickable, so anybody can click on this and go directly to that portion of the video. So that's the chapter tool inside of Video Velocity, not only helping your viewers to be able to find what they need, but also helping you to add even more SEO to your videos. Well, there you go. That is the video chapter generator, and it's inside of your free Video Velocity account. All you have to do is click the link down below. That'll take you to the page where you can sign up right now, and you'll even get free credits so that you can start using it right away. And the best part is you don't even have to use a credit card. You can go in, start using the product right now, and there's a ton of other great tools inside the Video Velocity app. So just again, hit the link down below, jump on in and start creating chapters for your videos right now.